another case video. What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the awesome Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4, and this is an absolutely gorgeous device. But you want to case up when you're out and about, and a company called Poetic sent this out to me. This is the Poetic Guardian, and this is a pretty good case because the reason I like this case, it has a clear back so you could show off your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4, which is always important when rocking your, rocking your devices. You kind of want to show your colors and all that stuff. I mean, it's just the black, but if you got the white or if you got a different color like a burgundy or something like that, then it's kind of cool. Now, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. That's right, hit that notification bell. Now, this says it comes with some extra adhesive strips for dust protection. Now, it also tells you in here, I think it was somewhere in here, the way to put it on is you do not want to slide into the device, and I'm going to show you. You want to go bottom to top. So in this case, you want to go bottom first. Now, here's the Poetic Guardian right here. Looks pretty dope. I love this color. I love the clear back. And then the cover screen, never really anything special. Just a bit of a bezel to cover your device. But I like the material in here. It's like very grippy, so that's good. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take off because this comes with a built-in screen protector. So you want to go ahead and put that to the side, and then rip off the plastic on the inside and the outside so that you're good to go. Now, this does come with some adhesive here on the inside, but you do get a built-in screen protector, which is a plus when it comes to the Galaxy Z Fold4. You also have some plastic here on the back there. You got this little styrofoam piece, but I do like this. This is great. So let's go ahead and pop this in, and then we'll take a look around the device to see. And remember, it's bottom to top. Don't slide it in. So you're going to put it on the bottom first and then snap it in. Boom, just like that. Man, this has some really good protection here on the corners, man. That's phenomenal. Then you got your buttons here, your on and off button, your volume buttons here. Yeah, oh no, I have this upside down. No, I have it right. Wait a minute, what's going on here? Okay, maybe it just wasn't on. Hey. Yeah, so your volume up and down buttons are right here. Knucklehead, see? Even the stud needs a little direction every once in a while. But man, I give it to you raw and real here. This is not edited. I give it to you the way it is. And then you kind of just go top to bottom here also with the cover screen, and then just snap it in place. And I love this look. Now, you don't protect the hinge, so if that's a deal breaker for you, then I just broke your deal. But I do like this. It's kind of slim, but it does give you that protection. It's not tremendously bulky, but it's not super slim where you're like, I'm not really protecting my device like a carbon fiber device, carbon fiber case or something like that. You do get excellent protection here on your display, the inner display. So because you get those reinforced corners there that are just spectacular. So, and then when you close the device, you get some good protection on your cover screen right there, because you get all that bezel or raised lip action. Here on the top of the device, you got your openings real rock solid. Here on the bottom, rock solid again. But yeah, I actually like this case a lot, man. My favorite is the silicone strap case from Samsung, then the carbon fiber from later case, and then this. But this is nice because this gives you some good protection. Wish I had a little kickstand or something like that, but that's all right. I mean, you can go flex mode if you need to watch your videos or anything like that. But this is definitely a heavy hitter right here, man. And you get that screen protector. Now I have a screen protector on here. So, you know, as far as how it works and everything, it's good because look at that. I'm just tapping the device, going up and down, no problem at all. So this is definitely a good looking case. Now, if you got the white or another color, then you're gonna be able to show it off. But this is definitely, this is a winner. I like this one. I like this one a lot. Now let's go into the internets right here, so you guys can pick it up. Here on the internet, you can see here, decent price. A lot of these cases for the Galaxy Z Fold4 are like $100. I don't understand that. Like, I know it's a $1,800 device, but come on, man. That's a lot of money. So you get the built-in screen protector. You got the 360-degree full body protection, a scratch-resistant clear back, shock resistant, so you could drop this boy. Works with wireless charging, so you got no problems there. So yeah, this definitely works with wireless charging. It's very thin on the back, but this is nice, man. This is a nice little case. I like it. But that's gonna do it, man. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm Android Stud. I appreciate you guys watching the case here from Poetic, the Guardian. They also sell a Spartan, which is a pin. You can hold your pin in there. But that's gonna do it, man. I'm gonna get out of here. This is a nice little case. I like it. Peace out, party people. Spider-Man, Spider-Man.